to link Payoneer account to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to link your Payoneer account to your PayPal account. So first of all, just simply open your PayPal account, and after that just log into your account using your credential, and also just open your PayPal account and log into your account using your credentials like your email address. And once you have logged in both your PayPal as well as your Payoneer account, all you have to do is just come to the PayPal account, and from here just go to the Get Pay and Pay section from the top, and under the payment method section just simply click on banks and cards, and over here just simply scroll down and click on link a card. Now over here you have to enter the bank account details from your Payoneer account. So from there just simply go to your Payoneer account, and in the Payoneer account just simply click on Get Paid section over here from the left hand side menu, and just simply click on receiving account. And in the receiving account you will be able to see your US based account which has been linked to your Payoneer account. So just simply expand the menu and you will be able to see all the information related to your account, related to your Payoneer account. So as you can see that this is my these are my information. So just simply click on copy all details, and once you have details with you just simply come to your PayPal account and enter the details right here and click on link card, and this way your Payoneer account will be linked to your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.